ntoto odi rana to muzampa ejuma CPC ta di open present na ye to aba yi no oba eba beda MPP amanyoko na no na nema dedadia the year 2024 no oba be gina na ye to aba ma ne se mampanyi ntime pa cho ne nsempa ne nhihye pa ene nema pa wa bɔ modern no se ndwuma no ena oba be du nkomo ntime pagya me mu apɛ no 90 ramu no nsia no na ta edwuma de no betimi ato aso etimi era ma na ye live on Sompa TV, Sompa FM Kumasi, Sompa FM Sunyane, Sompa FM Nkranza na Terra 1 TV. Oro ani chemu Accra na chesi Rome timera mantie so ya pe eto aso na boana hihye no akoye timera ma 21st clinic semenka emfancho se ne siatica no edunya siatica no titu ya ye transiche no ye ma me papa ma ya mukodwa no mo transiche mo nze bedu bebi no na oto asinti no etwetwon na de Rome o hyechi bebi ebe twetwon na afi Rome ne anchi o bebi a se wanhwe entu anamo ana chese dabi no okwa akwa kunya ha obi a wanhwe ye kra baba be ubunti ashase a ebia ba kope na ehwe na yetimi etu anamo na aboama ne mada ye pa etimi era ma no ye 21st kene komaso ye entiko ne yembo na gina wona so na abo ejuma na abo ama ne man kwezan se ya mehu yanka de yemfa mbobra oyesa ya na aha drink akra no mo no kwa ye bɔ modern ya bia yetimi so ano se ne stroke ne dunya diabetes ne dunya ene de kra keto abi ni na so mo lab kese a oko ebedo so na ya hwema hu sere nhihye no esi etie na bibikra ya ye no ya bomode etimi aso ano so de ama enu echi no scan services ne ya de a ewura metimi na Friday be after work no to fa ho na massage no je ye nwoma no ne de machines no so na mu eboa ama body no etimi eye ni dwuma ye na ntiri no etimi aboa atwe kama pa ama moja no edi efusane afamu yi ama ne ma de ama mo bodwuma party Ghana more than 15 branches Kumasi Erin overseas junction mo bena for radio Obuasi Council Court Score Junction bi nyoma Accra Dome Market ena Sunyane Nkranza ne Techima no nyina no obo modno we nyoma number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 titunkra o amano ne krebre na ya boa na we gina na so na ne ma akuyera ma drinks ni yemienu pe eno ane ya bobo a na me ahoden sonko eba betra mu ye adwuma no mixer 5G nhaba mani ndu abade abomode timede aye emu edeye pa ena anom so a ema ahoden sonko nya afi na cafe sindia eba baberam na baba ha nipadua no entiko na kochi bi Ghana uma adwen na da ebebomode na etimi nyane no grapes no ebomode yam ne ma ne ye adwuma ena jense ni yi ntini ma moja ne die fusan na green tea no madam tugunfo no ebeboa na afurika kraka na te so etimi ne dia momo na bomode etimi de miso fruit drinks aba drink amu ede organic fruit so emu so api etunya bi na aba ho se hye enti na ye na aba abadinto na aba de dodo na eba be chiam no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks na aba na totoye no ada de ramatifa number no 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 nako kojibi na mbwa mane manko ya fama 21st connect manager Daniel wo bo adwuma ntimo a mo ahwe overseas no mo njibi honom na afi so no mama Esther orwani na chemo Outcome Royal Ventures na tese Watra Baptist University ebu akwa obo adwuma PNC Ventures armanje taxi station Opsi Charity Hospital Junction no obenya bi na Sachi Enterprise no orwani chemu asafo abincha Opsi VIP car park no ye boana ne ma de ye pa etimiera manto ma daroma ye roni ani nkoma akra na orwani chemu the Black Stars of Ghana o maswe ya ne ma de ama FIFA abomodi officially omodi data the World Cup qualifier no ye kwa kobo no ana ye shase abona baba betu ya menya ntie zo omobomodi at the Vero Stadium no baby omo preview man Ghana for ne Kumase baba Sports Stadium nyonko yesuru ani chemu Cape Coast Sports Stadium eno so ma jere atuma mienu no yebetimi ahwema yi ba ko na ya bomode na ye game no ya boama na ma de ye pa etimi era menti se nete yesi ne ma de on the 13th 13th to 21st November matches ne mienu Ghana yebedi kan abom Madagascar nya wo ha after no yebekwa akuramu na ye gen na so ne Comoros for no etimi era abani nti sa date no ene be ni yi de beboa na sa matches no etimi eramo ena 10 to 11 June 2024 neno sumun komo no Mali ebe hostie enu echini enso no yebesa aba be hosti Central African Republic na aboa amanema dadin era ma after no yembo biema na akọ nanima akwa rom 2025 na aboa na hyehyɛ na daye pa etimi era mentum komo no sa prepare ni sietie enu a woni chemo Eastern Regional na jeze na Premier Hotel ho na ebo modern eye ntutuye ni ya ne no ye kokoye launch ni nyina the Ghana Premier League no and area say 2023-24 no season no niama dedama bibia ebetimi akosunze bosomi e ba be rom no and adwumade ne ebo modern timi acha se na munkomo no ene KTS Okreku ono ye the Ghana Football Association president no ebo modern team a yereba ababa be ejuma this season no o se enkabu mu ene beboa mane ma koye pera ma se no pimpa no ebo modern timi di.
I'm sure we may have forgotten what the awards were in the just ended season. Mirima received 300,000. The second place received 150,000. Ediana and the third place received 80,000. In the new season 2023, the first, hopefully, will take home 500,000. The second place, 200,000, and the third place, 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Eltiano ye komo abo modi etimera to ya na ye kan prize money no komo no mo fama ye na ye hwesere niam de sieti no bibia dani awa beje league no onya 500,000 Ghana cedis so tosumi no a onya 200,000 Ghana cedis tosumi ensa onya 100,000 Ghana cedis and 80,000 num 70,000 Ghana cedis insia 60,000 Ghana cedis so ye 50,000 Ghana cedis and afi wotwe no 40,000 Ghana cedis na nkono 30,000 Ghana cedis ne du no enso ye 20,000 Ghana cedi to kan nyina boma 1,150,000 Ghana cedi no any scar ne yedi erom na boa mane ma koye pera ma na nya no nko yezi ne your benefits a wodo na eberom edi ama ye teams na ebo ama ntoto na da ye pa etimi edi ama muntu ko benefit na eba ne marketing na fi TV right na edi team bia benya 330,000 Ghana cedis na boa na ne ma de da de ama na fi no bed power sponsorship no so 275,000 Ghana cedis na beko etimi ma yi teams ni nyina and after ba no coast development na and also your modern 50,000 Ghana cedis na beko era ma teams no ntu okeka ne ma bom na abo modern edge league na jezo benya ska twitwidie no be say 1,155,000 Ghana cedis or about dollars na jeze be $105,000 iramo etimi era ma ntu no otosumi nu so a okeka ne nyina bom ska benya no 855,000 Ghana cedis or the dollars ni mo a 727,727 dollars and ebeko etimiera ma na aboa tuto so miensa and also no o kan nyina aboma benya 755,000 Ghana cedi na jeze di so se aboa manema koye pre etimiera ma ti dollars no 68,636 na di so sa na aboa manema koye ti no yen hyehye pa omo abomode etimi ede ram se hwe na aboa ma yen football no niama deda din kama pa so no etimi ede amena mediama na trophy ne wo mo ne omo bomode sign the buy ni na ze we no je a onje prene be ye din say tie peripica bi mo na the original one abana ye de aye djuma na to aso akwa ni ma di Patrick Akoto ono bo djuma de ma club no de bomode e present trophy ne back nra e Eastern Premier Hotel na say no obakoti ye nimpa ye franka no mo de be koso wo mo ni holoyo mo fi gini pata mo de bo ani na abo amo wanya no do no ababa be na the group stages no omo aye djuma na no ne baba be to just former goalkeeper e de ma the Black Queens of Ghana mamuna to Sulemana na ne ntran ye mu ni bibi oda no na enye kreba ne sika se zo na da fom se tem na nra e na report ne bobo de ba se enka ne Ghana mampinyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abomoden na timi atonkra se wa pedan bi di ama no enkonko tremen so ho a wase ama ni sika so onje no mfa nhye bibia ase bi o otro na asa shodam reform za ya na e ha adwen kakra na nkomo no yenti kakra
amfama yemi aba nti be gina Ghana fo na mu e de aseda kese Sompa the former president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nti be mu na we say no from the former president me say video call viral man penin hu ye no ni Ghana de akwantum en wa baba ye at FFC nti no e video bra zaten za bo nyamo wo kwe aha e ko nti tu be ju sure. I don't know. So far, we are Which do we be an entire kitchen? And I'm sorry for
no, yeah, Fefedia ni Ghana and Kaneman Pini. John Dramani Mama Bomodi Ayeda Mama Muna to Suleiman na every year pa where said the moon common city and any amano is here kwa unsi ya boa my bibi ada di impre team hermano can fight so any the Ghana Football Association election on common and we did na no passeri break here the mano as in there was an uncle pin pano babe transono wama tigi ya train edukwe ni mwanyambo nena woche na ese 6 September ene be kona ya kwako didi hon common ya unse de nema esi etie ne oruwa ni chimo be poso a krobia kumasi asante koroko ready game baako aba na wie omo ne park academy na de bo ani obi a etimi amposo ne yonko atena o join ya no aba ba be hwese de nema esi ekoye ene sere na ntotue ne esi etie ne game a na ano edin papa eti o join ya no wa hwe highlight ne kakra no hu go bi amam die but na efe papa ebo ama nhyehyende da din pa etimi ede ma afanu no eti 3:30 your message jom na so no me asekem e de aboni out of the game ana Kofi Adasa eka coach se bu edwuma ede ma asekem ti no na ebiza coach na crobia game na nkaza coach dia na be de amamo anu yesi no bomo de dijai.
This season match I bono ebo mase asante kotoko both teams in na no de ebo boa ye ho de atwen ye league ya baba be and beside kotoko union no mpanimfo so if we no is a big advantage for us yeah yes we show key talents ayo nti igu ahon bobo aso privilege emaye if you read the coaches no kola no you sua ye mpanimfo di kotoko anim nti enkola no so show good talent na opportunity bi ba kotoko ashe aso metimi amankola ni bia join ni wo mo a think say some coach bia ne kotoko obo a be ka hye ne mfora kwani be ka say a second player we there enyane kokuma sa sante kotoko ebe be
ti anu ye command open pana bomo de rija after no and on Sanchez game we ni game a emu be de pa di wa won join on also ko na akoko join on na hwebi na oka sei e bomo de timi de fa game no
so na dauruma kotoko no asama na ya kono bi minister santimai sigi na yan fan pipa entechiri na yi na yan seni kotoko na ki yen sum ese ya ade ni ra se o ye kotoko adwuma o sum ya santimai ne kotoko intima show say you na yes supporters ni body win na yan for to inkabu yan fan support both teams no asake de ye wura Dr. Kiki Sapon ade kotoko adwuma pen tempeni for this training can you say be from the asake mu ni kotoko de ye nuafo we nyame adome china enuafo ball na ye de ba bebo aha nti obia nta e ota kotokoti a ota asekomochi ota asekomochi a ota kotokoti nti emfa odo enetoma nenta eni tibuni mienu ni na nura madwe ni na
ti anu ye command ni no na jeze coach a ye friend Kofi Adasa bo mo de to yebo amane amada di impretimi ye ma yenko drama skakra ni nkomo se di kan confirm ye ma mrebi twemza Accra Lions ni Yaya Mohammed a join ni omo no ne Oma confirm official say 3 years obana oni omo ababegbo edwuma na aboa na ne ma deda ye pre team da mo ntino Yaya Mohammed from Tamale City ezi ara nya your official okono akwa edwuma etimi area matima ye former Accra Lions so yon nko oro ni chemo Karela United aso omo so na confirm ze former player Edema Dreams FC Maswe Alta enso ajoin omo no so no eba na oni omo abababe edwuma na aboa na bibi akoye pre team da mo na Great Olympics so no e de Ramsey ne omo ewramo tema United FC omaswe ni omo player bako ye friend Ibrahim Shaibu ono so omafa na wa baba be rama oni omo eba be yidwuma nti dwama so no eno ye nkoma ebo de ba mabomode de on sesem no ewramu etimi edi ama Kings a ejuma di a ba waswe na jeze e fie de bia nonan etimi abo ekokusi nonsia ene de dwumade no ewramu kama pra etimi erma na kensa no pain per friend honorable Kennedy Japan orwa ni chiemu asen central no na MP ede mo na ne dwumade odi ne niam odi ram no ya de akono papa na efe ozo de fo na waboa amankofo bibra aba asesa wo Ghana ha enti ye transis amre na ebo modi an dwuma pa waye ene niam a waye na toda ye didi nkomo na so no so yobi a obo modi aye maburu na ye si so a ye bobra ne ba no hwe nkran pa di no unya tie bia be hu de wum na hu de nti a ewo so oba na aba beta na china na mpipi amanyoko no oba aba be do ma no ebo adwuma bo ama ne makoye ti Friday bia ana fie de bia no 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. na che no nan ko ekokusi nonsia ene de dwuma de ne be live on Sompa TV Kumasi Sompa FM Kumasi Sompa FM sunyane Sompa FM Nkranza na aboa na ne ma de 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 mama me be zemenka enfan Jose ne oye be ma wade ni so aya na guess ne so wa chi baru hu ni nyina ze be ma de ne wo se wade na ye kese na musu ye den ti pema na confirm zampa krachi za anya na no na mum na ya so kasa na apo ma ne ma de da imperial mantine transition no from Wiser to Beam Nation ade ne be bola na ayese sompan komo no na ngodi na musa na odi bo adwuma na ebo na ne ma de da yie pa etimiere mama me be nko na be di hu dwuma na etimiere ma nyame nam no so ebo ma nkofo bobedua no emu yedu pa na enya no nko ozo uyo bi a o prostate ne ha wanze mema ye nyini prostate ne ye kese wantu ana mo bi a e de anim guase de ha kakra ebeba baberendu bebi no ye de ade bi ko akwakoto be ma na low sperm count amankofo bebi abo edwuma agba na nso no omunya bada ni nyina nze low sperm count no ene bo mo de etimi di omunya na nam yaye oyi fi o baby girls no obo ama baby cheche eye akono eye de eye sa na asumdia be fi a ebo ama ne ma da di nso e de ma na fi no xenobacteria infection no so no wa peba unya bi bosome su bu nsa na e kan adwane you know ye de fi twa ya enim guase pa ma me na so ye no oretimi so ano ma ni nyina no etu otimi twa na so ye de me se aye ne de kra kitikiti kra na sickle cell sensem so no wabo ne jana na so abo ma ni no enkwada hodo na ye ka so munyi ndu bebi on befu mu no ma me no aye dwuma papa nyame na no so agesa enkwada no mo nko a ene omu dwuma mo na so omu ye dwuma tuko sickle cell test no scan test no ye tan no so apatrapa new site na Patrapa Junction na number ni 0243 345392 0243 345392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 itiano eye mo aboafo mo boy na dwumadi no ye de remeda ma de ato aso Michael akomia beba na wababa be shase ama me ne didi come after no lawyer Michael Asaibodu ana yakona de akibia no ewram etimiere ama na aboa nya hyehye no so na dade agomia na bibia aboko de
na me adom ni ahwe ni experience abudi abi
ensem no do so pa hin na de me fa
no cre first of all my member the Ghana Football Association abaso ewo mudwuma pa o ma shase o mudi na ahwe o matutu sikanim for league champions I must say
Amiana obeto aso kra baro mo mame GFA support na ode ma ye teams na be kwa Africa ma 2024 2025 na was all didi on come CAF Champions League no wa be Premier League no first round ye ma $35,000
2024 2025
that's next season next two seasons okay on be sound so to next season there the next season on be sound
that means mo call this year ne dey mo san ka bi
o ma mo muska
the same thing
o ma mo muska
mo dreams I think so 30-30
yeah 30-30 no but one o ma ayi ampem da ko 25
oh okay
ti o sa ka ba next season no the ebe ne da so no
okay
to we na first round $35,000 second round $35,000 CAF Confederations Cup first round $35,000 second round $35,000 now wa fu be qualifier no and only a man de no de yambo ochna azake ai ampem na kwa ji aba kroma no zone use chino meje because at the time for the was on the show money when you buy us Queens for na yeah jagomia e hihye o maye no
yes abu na make say is a bold step by the GFA and my main commend you almost take this particular initiative so mo be bo Ghana football team afọ to mapa de fra we share the state of your football now. The amount of money here on Muchiche describe the full state of Ghanaian football and what we have been through so many years. See teams of Africa now the F in don't bet me they support to me $35,000. It means you say football no cheaper.
What is that?
Not $35,000 UBP. I say $35,000. So go Tanzania, Simba, more their players they would take it.
Simba player and we try to get $35,000.
Abu.
Hey, WO, I don't like I go for the how I know. Simba player only try to get $35,000.
You, Yate.
Unibio.
You, Yate.
Unibio, I'll see you, Yate.
Missy you, Yate. What to me, Simba, we can't just Simba Dimitri player at $35,000.
Why?
Simba, no, how can you buy a player for?
I said, I bet Kauti, a betetium, the big carrier. Oh, Kawasem, the BBC House. Only player be o Simba, a try to come and cast it to be chill. Me cast it to be chill. But me the say only player be otisa bonidina kana catch your chain simple. Me cast it be ni was ha. I mean cast it be ni was ha. My ile on board youngers is your. Yeah, come on, Moses here. Yeah, come on, Moses here. About to do all that.
Beba, Abuma be provided full list of our salary cap. Beba, full list of our salary cap.
About to do all that Tanzania.
Of course. Now, I don't know. I'm surprised that you haven't seen that. Oh, young guy of it, I mean, yes. So if he was EVP, forget about whether Wako pyramids or no, he was being paid that amount of money.
No,
that's 50,000 as a matter of fact.
50,000 a month.
Yes.
Younger.
Yes.
Yeah, what true.
Now, Yanga, no, you compare yourself to Yanga.
Dabi.
So why are you surprised?
Was that Tanzania there?
Now, so I number more only for player salary. Who buy with me, boy?
So don't argue. Yes, that's a crew more there.
I go me a cost of one fee. Come on, some cost.
But why you then are the one?
List eba ding.
List very.
So what they have? Missing list neighbor. List neighbor ding.
Come on, so who can list
no eba ding.
Because Abu Dia Sarot.
Wait, 2023 Simba or player salaries. Medical Gary $9 million.
Yes. It was the
Chris Mugalu $9 million a year.
They've all left.
A year no, who divided it by 12 now $750,000 a month. Also dividing the BMA into 4 weeks now, you definitely fully understand the amount of money these guys are paying.
Tanzania chair will come out $700. And I had that from ground.
Abu.
But I didn't know the sponsorship that Simba has. Anyway,
Abu. And those Omomu say yes, I $35,000 here. I can once when you bread the movie the akono.
I teach your money had you.
Now Abu, if you want to go there for Bibia Crampon to chain Crampona. The for Bibia Crampon to China. Abu. Oma person the Champions League and person the Confederation Cup. Teams are also team show mono. Simba any young and count. So because they don't play the finals. Last year they say young couple final ba kodiaba. But opeso beating ko for finals edejia Moroccan teams and Egyptian teams no. And so $35,000 win. The only ball team nim salary.
Obi o form cry.
Obi on form category based deal with team nim no salary no. Is this a good step I take? Yes, we agree this is a positive thing. But Abu, which know the state of your football ni baby and nam. Say be you hope say betimi ade Africa bia na betimi age bibia e wachire. Wo de enfa bibia kranto nche national team omoji appearance fees eh.
$100,000.
$100,000. So course group stage obe free mo wewa. Near clubs no mo kwa hope so beku group stage no. Omo ji $100,000 re kwa ko free group stage bo mo hu ni se nya hwe. Near clubs e mo $35,000 obo fa bo ho. E fa ko group stage no mo free music around na ani asoso. The state of our football is bad. It's a level we know. Say twemu for the next season. I'm only hoping say we'll get more sponsors. Not scanning more a day. Apeja. And yes, sir. $35,000. No, let me say one trip. Pay okoba and one nasa. Now, cause a okobo. Obi now also the private jets. Na kobi say has kobo JS Sawa. One baby a club no one. Omu take plane bay 2 or 3 and san omu ko duru on. Omu do anoma jina. Omu ko fa take ko wanya. And san omu kwa kupi. So imagine say if you are living with a private jet. I was also faba. Now come why na copy that particular route in so Abu Dhabi. Unu no kono ba no $35,000 na nsan. Asa. Winning bonus here twa.
Labi.
And one no. Now for what side about better. This be a aduana de bi ni anu ajolof. Na ne de asiba sibule de akwa.
They have to say aduana e ma bia no aduana figa na. Shitone dokon na e be ma de akọ.
Shitone le.
Be no ajolof afi kroma de akọ.
It Abu that step there. Na mo sama me list of area TV right. Scar Obiji Liga de be man no. Yes, I love this. Winner ebenya $500 45,000 Ghana cedis, which is approximately $45,000. It is a Ubo League ni nyina now Abu Dhabi abema $45,000 a eyobi akatua wo elali eyobi akatua e won Melody Sundowns ofri on ma wo beto so second abema $200,000 which is around $150,000 Abu e wo fem ankasa e wo fem and minim say we a bold step a ye di make sure see a league no betimi akoso amane o matimi akoye but there are legitimate questions I'm asking myself with this particular kind of money. Last season no at the bet power may increase your music na
what day
because see atoto nyoma mu bebre and our sponsors ni be keka on ma to scanim because I strongly believe say last season most of the sponsors said omo ball last season omo na wo ha na meboa and have there been a review of omo contracts to increase the money na me say scan atoto mu na because I'm quite surprised that na we entimi am fan chance na this season yanko 1 million Bobeka said then ebi a yentwe sponsors no na wo so mo toto nyoma na wo so mo yese but yet anu nyina that means ebi a bet power ma eska bi e bro sa ana se bi other sponsors ma eska bi e bro so kakra enna ma Abu Dhabi ba bi a yeti o ma increase se eska minimum say last season commitment aye we che say last season commitment aye we che say last season commitment aye but ma anye last season clubs no complaining sa about sky etwa ma in terms of TV right. Now we complaining. I'm even shocked. Omo tell you omo games wo pa was start times no spy crowds of folk nuku masa sante kotoko. Ana meboa.
But that's still as omo raises our concerns.
Yeah. No masa chase kana pepepe. And kotoko ne has obi asu nia no obi asu betimi aka bibia because start times would never have been start times without kotoko and has games.
Omo ko
meeting. Omoko meeting no Kotoko has a raise our concern where but the quadruple stage be now also we are voting. Apparently FNO went with a different disbursement formula. Na FNO per se omo chesikani bi to and the other so this scanner omo de 2CCA to swa is almost here say 5,940,000 debi me pet disbursement formula no Premier League there na mo show first one anyway please. And yenyen drew hakra.
There na make one same system.
There na komi eka one se mama be mu no. Enti or the toswa 5,940,000. No mutia as TV and marketing rights they deal no. Omoko their face proposal was say 5 million na ki base bin to. Ebi a fan say 3 million and 3.5 and 4 million in to. So 4 million no ye chene pepe according to the 18 clubs. Na the Ebeka we chire no ya channel according to teams in any omo matches to do about TV so omo boy fe de ni to go then has got a crazy argument and say also omo nyes kan kese because omo no me clubs akese na omo de the eyeballs never the attraction so we be say o share Ghana Premier League Kotokone has intin obehwe inte also omo nye a chunk of the money and sana o match de aka no so the ama clubs no once again omo san so bot to go and the Kodru said,
listen, I guess I feel so sad. Say, okay, can I be me? Kotokone has a boat to go. So they boycott the league. Yes. They boycott the league. See, we are in a country where people believe that say, Herbert Benson.
Tough.
Even tougher. Comme ça, quand je viens à l'occasion. Oh, c'est bien pour me, I send the Kotokono. A sumbupa. C'est me supporters in Kawa. And the Kotoko team. And could you talk for us? So, okay. That time was by Coca-Cola. Could you feel I saw Coca-Cola? So, ye me pamucho. Uncrofoy, the Omamboa, Moamunim. The sponsor knowing very well, Saint Crofoy and Boa, Adeneguno, Omuchiabica, Omuginium Peno, Sabeti Macasiano. I saw Chow Bobre. That is why you question those who lead the team. Maybe I have a question.
No, we're most low lobby. And maybe Apostle will help us here. Kotoko top 4 tournament. And Bafo, I think
yes, the first one. Yes, the same thing.
Then they went across Africa on mobile friendly matches. Time and no mobile.
Yes, and no been a Maya call Sudan.
Yeah.
And then another badge went to Germany.
Yeah.
So you're back on a Germany versus Sudan. Sadana after Simba come and you go fast after Simba and I not just saying 9 Fiano. So that's it. You call their bluff.
I'm bottle for no two quiet.
Call their bluff.
As almost Sonic can be.
Well, we can see how you can see.
No, they be.
The clout is still there.
And they are
leaders,
it's all like say, yeah, sign in it is a.
But in terms of governance, governance, I drop a levels, standards are dropping.
Let La Liga Madrid the money Barcelona Monje chain.
What you do that.
Kotoko, Nitigo.
Okay, I remember that.
That's more than 10 years ago.
Yes, I remember that deal because I was part of it. So, like Michael Kano, now MTN sponsor as I Kotoko then, and now by take over for Zulu, Scanusa, and no more MTN go can MT also thought that up him, so because of him, so their relationship so were fine. Me and Fan Count. Then Bafo was talking to Tigo without so MTN phone him. To realize, you know, and the people supporters said, Omono se basa ye decide say we ne kwa. So what does it mean? It's what we. Realize na Kotoko announced $3 million Tigo deal.
Abu just Kalidi. $3 million a year. More than 10 years ago. Where you can go 20 years old.
$3 million.
$3 million US dollars. Yes.
Until I
level. They just increased the money to that level. But this is more than 10 years back then.
$3 million.
Yes. And you have $3 million then. And can then go Sankunya say.
Well, about 7 million, 10 million.
Was it because you was a standard number.
That's a we'll qualify for Africa by the 35.
Was it that said?
About the zone did you
was it that send me VSS for and now send them final year? No more now says you know.
Yeah, float to Chroma.
Yeah.
I say, but that's 2007.
No, for how many years? How many years?
No,
a 3-year deal.
No, I think
it did not year $1 million.
No, we are getting 3 million.
$10 million a year.
Yeah. So now Kabo $9 million no.
Now
at that time.
Now what happened was that quickly MTN go home open so. And now because I said, oh, some a rifles man. Hey, you go for and now the way I was what is the idea? No, that's not what is there today. Here, Mike. What happened was that live on radio. Now because what there's no your friend say
cheap no.
Omuba no omaba be can. We number papa no we certain time it was bad.
Newspapers, Kotoko Express, no matter daily. Na kwabna ebu newspaper ne so African Sports. No my heavy.
Maza. No guba kono kra si. Omo hihye omo ba.
To omo no kan ba be bibiara.
Omo ye ba nfa. Na wo aka obeja wo
na taking leading.
Sanity.
I'm trying to get you the way you know.
Out of football Dolphins. Ma me.
Oh, ma make meeting no masem nche. So Ekodru say omo to aba no. Majority of the votes went in favor of equal distribution. In China they aba bedrua. So it wasn't like Yam proposing different formulas. It was proposed. But clubs now no omo to aba say omo pay.
That is wrong for that because me, like I said, club, you know, the biggest ones, and some show the way and lead the way. These two big clubs, muna munye ska mu make sure say mu ko toto we mu play say mu muska. Musu na mu bobola gate fee. Club bia oyi has got a club bia onyam faso bia has got a go onyam faso. Club bia bo match bia without has got to get zero. So you need to let the answer say yeah hu suo na mumu sebi munye nye bi di ne mo ye no. So you work out on the meeting.
You pay your salary.
Or the bluff. And listen, and when you call the bluff, you know what? Sebi TV rights any ema. Kotokoni as CNG TV rights. You might and see whether start time.
Now I at you.
And me no. Kotokono TV. Kotokoni as no. We'll use our YouTube channels to show our matches. And because Sebe Umami saying from that so-called TV rights, and Umami.
And they can sign a
and who him Kotokoni has supporters. How to subscribe to those YouTube channels? Me wa. Why never lose? Who lose? Ghana football sponsors me wa. This a man no has a good man way.
Until I say I'm a coach, I'm out 330,000 Ghana.
I go away.
330,000. My Kotoko has one game maintain.
Omo boys can also have more money and you.
One game say.
One game say one Ghana Premier League game. So I can I say be a away game.
I has got to come on bobo 700,000 Accra.
Yeah.
Just one match.
Oh, but now saying the attendance in yes, I see.
President Cup there.
No, Mike, can you between on me make cut the expenses for
moving care.
Maybe on better.
That's almost 300,000.
Yeah.
But you see, minimum will be a floor na young Kodia.
Floor in there, there might be no, but my main for how to focus shed Dolphins too. Say du Suraj.
He's also one player I'm expecting to blossom this
He's
season.
been inconsistent.
Yeah.
He's been inconsistent. He's a good player.
You know, Moko and local blasters were, I don't know. Dumnija cry. Before some no was so. When you are consistent games be after the tournament, Dumnija no. Randolph say you won't tinning Kabi.
I was one of round of over. So that because was not going. Oh, Massa Yanko.
I will play a parallel.
I'll get Randolph.
That's how the Kokoye. One, why have the FA increased prize monies for competitions anyway? Obi Aoba Congress Nibia, and we actually say it's a study documents near. Now it was expected to happen. The FA went to Congress to approve the budget for 2 consecutive seasons for 2023-2024 and after 2024-2025 and for 2 seasons no more approve budget in the at all. So on the budget statement no I share a year
which is not supposed to be the case anyway.
Yeah, budgeted statement of comprehensive income for the period and then 30th June 2024, which is for next year. But income no more as a state that anywhere should be a note no net trace yaba note number 6. Note number 6 natural football competition and events. Sika the FA will pump into football competitions and events this season. 31,138,250 Ghana cedis. Then for a year the next season, which is 2024-2025 and so omobe increasing from a year 31 they are called 34,707,070 Ghana cedis. So there will be gradual increment in relation to Sika FNUD into football competitions, of which the Ghana Premier League is part. And you may say, Yaba started Division 1 no more than who way bar. Yaba say Division 1 was increasing and managed as you increase. It is because football people met to agree on some of these things. Accord the next way now budget slide now my screenshot now. Oba payables expenditure now. Skip the first part, never the second part. Obehu match commissioners allowance, cameraman allowance, referees development cost, venue media officers allowance, and I'm at this time obejibino. Competition allowance, competition participation, which is appearance fees. Then no about competition merit award. Into the merit award no, and I had the prize monies. Into Siko Mucha atuo for the prize monies here 1,212,500 Ghana cedis. Siko Mucha the atuo, which is in sync with how almost a year in terms of increasing the prize monies for this season's Ghana Premier League. A year now saying from 300,000 to 500,000 for the winner, a 200,000 CD increment. Okay, but any the ever be clubs ne how ni na the free almost. The monies that the clubs will get if you place from 1st to 10th, and yes, a kabi our boy be a ye free also. It won't take all your financial burden away. And mostly, you know, I have another intent, another intention behind Sika Sabino. You find a financial cushioning. I see ye de supporto ye de piano. Into Dodoana, what most clubs make from Omusika in terms of revenue generation. No? I have a clubs Nankasa through a year match day revenue. Semeton ticket will get Menyeska.
Match day revenue. You don't know what goes into it. You don't know if you are going to match the revenue. So I'm on here. It's a major problem. No, Michael, it's a serious issue. Look, Club BNU as a serious club with your sort. You depend on association's money to survive. Then you are at the collapse club. You are not qualified to run a football club. Yeah. Michael Kabakushin, that's the best they can do. Who club Nankasa? A so bon. Yes, Kakrepe no to be a more. You must help yourself. Me de be a cancer. Look, a club like Bichim, a club like Bichim. You are not bro. You are bro.
Okay, Meba. Unim say commando. Ediane wo, ba unim ediane ye obede.
Come never do.
There be better ediane. So you buy. That's why people.
No, it's scanning ho.
Says Kenny Hua. There be Sikeni Hua no one kwa bobrapa. Because your stage we are Kolana Fenia. I know a young man always kunye but that's a different matter.
Good.
You understand? But what do clubs with Oma Trasa?
Good.
How many of them end up with? They have tried Bechem. I get Bechem solution. Look, someone like Bechem, Agama, he's done very well. But Agama and Timin Twaso say what this Kabashe team. You know that bird is a farming community.
Yeah.
Animal husbandry. Look, we a club, our environment now want any the product demand of products or no, and create a certain business reasonable over a period of time. So we show environment, create something over a period of time. Let's share coincidence no and let them buy into it. Only idea no. You also make reasonable money. Simple. Be a club, be a you break.
I know your strategy was
Chelsea.
Last time I see me an apostle. Mickey.
No, the apostle
almost social media handles.
Oh, there me ba. The apostle can. Oh, there Kumasi ni yawo. Anameboa. This idea apostle na ne kind of five. Fanessa kodokosi omo ye fabulous water. Fabulous water. Kotoko aye fabulous water. Sachet the bottle there.
Disaster.
No more ton.
Ombetosa.
Yes, I in the last year between fall on Chomodio. And on a pan,
you know, ever pure.
I did 3 years old.
When ever pure.
Yeah.
And you can you see, Anna Emmy. When I say Koto, I say, it's your company Panacotona, says a bump in front of Monasum. Because ever pure became ever pure. Because of Koto, without Koto, there's no ever pure.
Yeah.
So like my guy, so how can saying the back cost ya wabe set up sadena? I who to say.
So imagine say fabulous water no KJT in Ebesa.
Oh mas.
Impotent be Ebesa.
Be a fabulous water.
Yes. Kotoko enye sika. Sika ne ba wa. Ebesa so afa amount for create juma the Acadia club no whatever no. This generates revenue for you.
Huge.
Oh bo matcha. It's your
fabulous water.
So, you have a catcher or say a common deal. Oh, in your name, near me, the Diana will fee. But only maybe an ene. So, what do you
make? We know Mentiasio. We go, I don't know. Is this your sponsorship? Yeah, no. Is it no? You are saying that you are feeling over 18-13. We all unim.
Oh, it's true.
I'm proud. Last time we saw apostles. So, don't change the entire Ghana. Time na year football no crano. Ni penalty send. Ni the coach papa ne baku.
Oh yes, of course.
But no Facebook coach bi are na
try. Former Chelsea ne England coach.
But na na pebo na akoma di achi. Omo team confer coach. You are the tactics house coach. Uni badwuma achi.
Na asat early 2000 na coach ka. More than $5,000.
Yes. I mean, if you look at Ian Porterfield was paid around that money. Before Ian Porterfield, then Ensminido, Ralph Zundik. I mean, those coaches were top coaches who were paid very well.
$5,000. Where early 2000, 2001, I said $5,000.
Even Hans Dieter Smith was a top coach paid well. What do you say? No. 12 shares. Sam Renault share.
Last one.
Ofri and Porterfield Bazebo. Oh, yeah.
No,
that be your issues. We all be me see apostle can be there on. About Thomas Commandment as a football. Apostle Matthias Adjuan Mentias Obigi. Now what said your kind. And maybe it can be 10 years ago. Now to go to Minya sponsorship. You try $3 million money a year. A year.
And now more than that, the kicker can also buy.
Oh yeah, because credits and
sometimes attendance in the way so
they were providing even bags and logistics for the players, each player.
Oh, but then football not calling anyone call for pelo.
I couldn't even hear day.
Yeah, I make I was 1770. Yeah, I'm quite anymore.
Yeah, so
to say Tanzania see. I don't fit here and do level.
No.
But we can never be on level.
Exactly.
Me that me real hope power Ghana. Time I'm melody Sundowns. A bar pre-season or Ghana. Teams be more swap players to come on. Sundowns me real who you know. Sundowns I corner my buy teams that can say you do players across all month.
Okay. So this conversation about TV rights money. Yakofa Premier League penny by Ghana.
I remember I was in that meeting.
Okay, and the apostle now was meeting
that meeting more. Oh, sir, they all concerned or Christian to do on like Niana kind, your clubs a combat for some in their communities, they take advantage of sponsorship driving them. So that was the main trust. EPL, so that was why he was talking about the seed money, 5 million, 40 million, 45 million when they started EPL though. But papa na anu see a we on bisa question. One, a kwame a player called Europe. Two, I don't know how American players board in chair players.
Questions on bizarre.
Oh, mania. That question the jazz. Question I said. Obia boka kofa.
The bizarre I said I am bizarre.
I don't know a player to the body. I toss American players. Obia and do a bizarre question fast.
I
mean, serious.
No, I'm just showing you the
or try the right orientation.
No. A case specific.
Yes.
The success of the EPL and how Ghana can model football around it and tap into almost success. Maybe. Now, question I could be saying.
Player I turn up. Blue for Argentina and present.
Now, quite also my first one. Player for Europe. I feel I
can't your phone players.
Oh, there's a brilliant
team. No, but he will leave the meeting embarrassed.
Very embarrassed. He was.
Make you want him go say.
All free meeting as no. There no beka. And I'm over.
President, nobody back on the round now.
Clearly, Abu. In terms of yeah,
serious.
I feel about strategy 2 now make also. Strategy 2 the social media.
Yes.
The other day didn't come about Kotoko. If they had continued with the YouTube vibe, say YouTube now omujai to ho ekofa at the fofro seek no koye seek no. If Kotoko has sustained the YouTube, by now, I was some community ministers carded to talk to cameras, set up even a Kotoko studio. Studio. Omode Kotoko TV. Say it here, near Betina, near we have young guys doing it, and this YouTube thing is paying well.
And
na Kotoko neso na ankra one Chinese did Kotoko ho, but Kotoko nanka sent to me the dinner ho. Can you imagine? There were individuals and they almost set up YouTube channels. They thrive with YouTube channels because more Kotoko content. So many Kotoko asema
very sweet to change.
Omo channels no subscription based bet dwindle. Views bet dwindle. Omo timi didi Kotoko ho ba Kotoko na no to won anka say how big or ye.
Timi didi na ho.
Sentini bogi mo baba ya mo so bi atwe phone.
No chat.
Very soon.
Yeah, YouTube in the pick. Even Capri season or Muye. I was expecting Senka. Most of the games not my born.
I'm sure in life. Logistics. See, and yes,
but all kinds of where is the
logistics? Camera anyway.
But I'm saying that it will change. Because very soon there will be an announcement. All those things will be streamlined. It will change. You cannot thrive on Kotoko's content or material. It's exclusive. It should be exclusive to the club. So trouble and it must be approved. You pay a fee for that. It will change very soon. I'm saying that by this week, by Friday, by Friday, yes, there will be a takeover in terms of the marketing of Kotoko. So all those things will fall under. There will be proper streamlining. All kind of logistics is true. Yeah. One of the things that have been discussed in the last 24 hours, the logistics to make sure they set up a Kotoko TV with top quality cameras.
Kakotoko YouTube no 3 years.
The Emma Mirror who cried.
Would they be around?
Never was to manage your Ghana, damn it, never be a canto. Yes, maybe at the Real Madrid Bakuma. Oh, the Real Madrid Bakuma. Now I'm maybe at the Santos. We've Pele here. Can you? We've Pele. Yeah, the Santos Bakuna in there. Do Okache, you for cross on my ball.
Okay, Kotoko Stoke. Yes. Echo ball friendly game. And Stoke were big then. Stoke were big.
Yeah, and Birmingham City.
As I know,
50,000. 1969, Osekofi was given £50,000 in a year to go and play
£50,000.
69.
69. Now, Kumyanya says, "We are in Abed."
And then make it 69.
When I miss Escaro. And that's all by
and don't how low
a ton account to man.
What saying? Say Bruni Fita 69 episode of player 50,000 69
£50,000.
Pounds. And not a player saying
about to affair one.
And today
I say
and today Kotoko was rejoicing because Dan Lada call World Cup and discover ebe boosty a revenue generation.
Can you imagine?
Odenka YouTube no komo ye no consistently for 3 years. We kro mu jai tu mu no. Ko YouTube na ko check your views na see almost started with interviews with players in way. And how many cameras now want to mentor?
No, like I said, more did you know the honeymoon will be over soon.
Oh, Akomia have a channel, YouTube
No,
channel.
I don't have a point. Say Akomia or the right to do it, but I'm saying that very soon all those things they're best streamlined. Hopefully, I'm sure by Monday going. It's an announcement no bar because it's right. As a club no enya sika or sefata. Oh, say me ni me ejuma enche yaba be ye no.
Do some get to aso go abo so dem.
Enya so kito enya mi o. Ejuma omo di ba share se no.
So ba dey say dem say too late ejuma dey.
And
that's I body so obu posti nyoma akofo abo.
Sa sa bodo tie enti onanta oni se minim. Ma screenshot oni se me screenshot time o da nyina. And na oba no ka wan ka so Akomia se ni me fio mo emre bedu a wo ye wo kra o be time fine very anti minim ni nyina.
Awaje da koto le camera le ne laptop.
Se si ano e be ko Gonyeska. What do I say? We're going to Gonyeska. So very soon, very soon this week. Acha by. No, baby, I do not. I am so Gonyeska. You better make sure to protect the content and the image right of the club. So they say. So anyway, Primivani Kotokongasem. Very soon, it's almost a deal assigned, a deal. So we will hand you over the marketing and branding of Kotokotu.
Our boss me so boy me. Na mama ninja Ghana. The India.
For now, the to make sure they make money, get better sponsors, club no branded to be attractive from coach, players, and everybody. All my appearance of this Kotoko coming just like time I had one. Almost I'm going to say, wow. We want to get to that level. It might take it time, but we want to get to that level. So there's it. What's it like?
Macari.
What's it?
Macari.
Only 67 just please don't go there. Don't go there. Yes, top class. How about one on just yes?
Actually, almost a quarter when I share branded jerseys first.
Oh, yeah, they.
My mama called by the Messiah TV and then.
Also, went to buy it.
Onitin be a poor, o poor ya one poor ni kwao, or the energy and in crash. Abrabo futu. Yam sum one need a so, a day energy a brony penina.